To access the scale tool, you can either press the S key on your keyboard or find it in the toolbar on the left-hand side. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing inward and outward. The scale tool in Illustrator allows you to resize and scale objects, shapes, or even groups with precision. It's an essential tool for adjusting sizes, creating variations, or proportionally resizing elements within your artwork. Once you've selected the scale tool, you'll notice a bounding box around your selected object. This bounding box consists of handles or anchor points along the edges and corners. These handles are used to adjust the size and proportions of the object. To access the width tool, you can press the Shift+W keys on your keyboard or find it in the toolbar on the left-hand side. It looks like a pen nib with width indicators at both ends. The width tool in Illustrator allows you to adjust the width of a path or stroke at specific points, giving your artwork a unique and expressive touch. It's perfect for creating varying line weights, custom shapes, and adding organic effects to your illustrations. To access the width tool, you can press the Shift+W keys on your keyboard or find it in the toolbar on the left-hand side. It looks like a pen nib with width indicators at both ends. To adjust the width of a path, simply click and drag on any part of the path where you want to change its width. As you drag, you'll see the path dynamically adjust, expanding or narrowing at the points you manipulate. The width tool is a fantastic way to add personality and depth to your illustrations. Experiment with different widths, curves, and profiles to create eye-catching visuals that stand out from the crowd. If you ever need to fine-tune your width adjustments, you can use the Width Tools options in the Control panel at the top of the Illustrator workspace. Here, you can precisely set the width values or apply width profiles to create consistent effects. The free transform tool in Illustrator is a powerful tool that allows you to scale, rotate, skew, and distort objects with flexibility and precision. It's perfect for adjusting proportions, applying transformations, and creating dynamic compositions. While using the free transform tool, you can also hold down the Alt or Option key to transform the object from its center point. This ensures that the transformations occur symmetrically around the object's reference point. To access the Shape Builder tool, you can press the Shift+M keys on your keyboard or find it in the toolbar on the left-hand side. It looks like two overlapping squares with a pen-shaped cursor. The Shape Builder tool in Illustrator is a fantastic tool that allows you to combine, merge, and divide shapes to create custom shapes and complex compositions. It's perfect for building unique designs, creating custom icons, and exploring creative possibilities. To combine shapes, simply click and drag across the areas where you want the shapes to merge. Illustrator will automatically detect the enclosed area and merge the shapes together. The Shape Builder tool provides a dynamic and intuitive way to create complex shapes by combining, dividing, and deleting areas within your artwork. You can experiment with different combinations and variations to achieve your desired design. The Shape Builder tool opens up endless possibilities for creating unique and customized shapes. It empowers you to break free from standard shapes and unleash your creativity in your designs.